Hi, first graders. I wanted to share with you our daily schedule, our challenge circle, and our learning. And I wanted you to be thinking about, you've seen it in Miss Simon's classroom and you've seen it in Miss Kristen's classroom. You've seen us fill it out where we're making a plan for our day. We're trying to be independent and responsible for our learning. So what we have here is we've got morning meeting, and then we've got some areas where we can put our learning, what we want to be doing throughout the day, and then an afternoon reflection. You'll see we've got the it's too easy, it's just right, it's a bit of a challenge right now. And then you'll notice that we have these areas of learning that are in different colors that you could mark with the color that matches, or you could use black like Miss Kristen's going to do. So I'm going to show you an example of how you could do that. Today, it's after morning meeting. I like to do reading. And sometimes I will, here's my book. Sometimes I'll draw a picture, sometimes I'll write the word. After reading, sometimes I like to do my writing right after it because I get some really great ideas from reading, and then I want to write about them. There's a pencil, some paper. Then I like to take a little break and do maybe a little exercise. And I'm thinking normally I wouldn't draw like this if I was doing a picture and writing. But I'm going to do a quick draw of myself exercising. And then I'm going to have a little bit of music as well because I like to listen to music as well. You'll have the headphones. That doesn't exactly look like music notes, but that's okay. I'm trying my best. After I do a little bit of exercise, maybe with Go Noodle, go to the gym, I might do some math. And I could put my numbers. I'm probably going to work on number bonds this week. I'm going to do some addition, maybe some story problems. I might work on my my personal project, which would be, if you know Miss Kristen, she likes to cook. So I'm going to have I've been working on like a little cookbook for my family. And then, of course, I forgot some science. I love science. And I'm thinking, maybe I would do something with chemistry. And then also I like to observe and look at things. Maybe I'll look at my mystery science kit this week. All right, so I have reading, writing, exercise to kind of take a little break, some math, some science, and a personal project. Now, I could use the colors here that match, but I'm going to use black. So I look at how my day went. So I will put a tally mark next to it that did each of these, and I look at and science. Okay, so this is one day, and then I look, how was my personal project? Well, my personal project was just right. My math inquiry, it was easy for me today. My reading was just right. My writing was a little bit difficult because I was having trouble zooming in with my pictures and zooming out. And my science was just right. And then I can decide the next day. Today, maybe I decide that I look at my schedule. I'm going to do a little bit of word inquiry today. And I'm also going to do some social studies. I might actually change the color so that you can see that it's a different day. So I'm going to do words. And I'm going to put the word the and the word see, just so you can see that I'm doing words. Social studies, I'm going to put an S and S. I'm going to make a world. Okay, and it's also my learning assets. I'm going to do some more math. Definitely some more reading. Some writing. And maybe I'll work on my personal project again. So then I'd fill out my personal project. I did some math. I did social studies, I did words, I did reading, and I did writing. Okay, and then I looked. My personal project again was easy for me today. My writing I found it was just right for me today. My reading was just right. My math I think that I already said that was easy for me. My words was just right. My social studies was just right. Then I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I forgot one. I'm not sure what that was. I can't remember. I should have gone in order. You probably remember what I've done. Every day I'm trying to make my own schedule because I'm responsible and I'm independent. And I'm keeping track of what learning I'm doing and how my learning is. Is it just right? Is it too hard? Is it too easy? And if it's too easy, then I'm going to be thinking about what I can do to challenge myself a little bit more. And if it's too hard, I'm going to think about what could I do to help myself. And we always want it to be just right. And so then each day we'd reflect and then we'd look to see how many do we have of each day. And I'm looking here and thinking, well, maybe I want to balance myself out and I want to do a little more word inquiry, maybe a little more social studies with my learning assets, maybe a little more science. Okay, and we would like you to try it out as well. Thank you.